Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Experience seaside luxury in this tranquil community of Spring Valley, St. Mary. This exquisite residential property, set on a generous half-acre lot, boasts 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. Enjoy the convenience of a water tank, hot water heater, and a single car garage. The strategic location, only 7 miles from Ocho Rios and less than 3 miles from the new Ian Fleming International Airport, ensures easy accessibility. Proximity to schools, churches, shopping, car marts, and pristine beaches makes it an ideal choice. With a downstairs bedroom and 2 living rooms spanning both levels, this property offers versatility and comfort. Don't miss out. Schedule a viewing today and seize this extraordinary opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 699,000 or Jamaican $107.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.